Hello everybody, welcome back. We're going to be talking about systems of linear inequalities. So that's kind of a mouthful. What does it mean? Okay, system. Well, system is more than one part, right? So we're going to look at linear inequalities that are made up of more than one part. Linear means um, the graphs look like they fall in a straight line. Inequality means that we're not using an equal sign, but it means more than, greater than, less than, less than or equal to, that kind of stuff. So where does this come to us? Well, uh, a lot of times it comes in efficiency models. Like efficiency means that we want to make the best use of our money, right? So this guy's saying it's more than this, but less than or equal to this. So that's the kind of thing that happens if we look at a graph of this is going to be like the cost, and this is the number of units that get produced, right? So the cost to produce things usually goes down when you build more of them. So if you build like 10,000 units, the cost per unit's going to go down to a lot cheaper. But if you just built one or two, it's going to cost a lot more because you don't have that efficiency that you would if you make it into something that you can do in an assembly line, for example. So the cost goes down with the more units, so it looks something like this. And maybe you say um, the cost will at least be that, right? So if the cost will at least be that, then it means all of these are possible costs above, right? So we can say this could be a cost for the number of units. So this is a greater than system. And now you might say like, well, we can sell these items. The more popular they are, the more we can sell them for. So this might be, the more items that get produced, then they become more popular, and we can sell them for a higher price. So usually, I'm going to say you have to sell it for less than that price, right? So this, we could say maybe less than or equal to that price, right? So if you can only sell something for this price, and it's going to cost us that much to make it, it doesn't make sense for us to build the product, right? So the point where it becomes profitable is right there at the intersection point, right? Then it's kind of break even. It costs this much to build it, and it costs this much to sell it, right? So we would want to find the places where it's going to be cheaper to build it and we can sell it for more, right? So that's going to be all of these possibilities within here. Like if I build this many units, it's going to cost me, somewhat more than this, but I need it to be less than this. So all of these are possible profitable outcomes, right? So that's what we're talking about on this, and I just wanted to give you a little bit of the sense of the vocabulary. And these are linear functions and their inequalities, and we want to find where the overlap of those two inequalities, and it would be in this region right here.